Hello dear children, how are you all? Today we will be talking about Lesson 12 Children's Game in Delhi Part 2. As you all know, in the last part we talked about a few games like Aag Micholi, Akkad Bakkad and Koda Jamal Shahi. And today we will discuss about a few more interesting games, but before that let's look at the pictures and identify the names of these games. Children in Delhi play many games like Posham Pa Bhai Posham Pa, Cheel Jhapatta, Bitti, Kil Kil Kata, Saat Samandar, Gitte, Chakkar Bhinni, Elastic, Ghar Ghar, अक्कड़ बक्कड़, गिल्ली डंडा, कबड्डी, गुड़िया की शादी, कैरम बोर्ड, cricket, कंचे, hockey, etc. I am sure you must have played many of these games with your friends, as these games gives us joy, happiness and a feeling of excitement. Now we will talk about another interesting game, Poshampa by Poshampa. Dear children, do you know this game was also known as Bitti or Red Mare? In this game, two children become chiefs. They catch the hands of each other and raise them up like the door. Rest of the children move under that door and sing the song As soon as the Padega word is spoken, chiefs put down their hands and the one child is trapped. One chief takes that child in his group. Thus one by one all the children move in the groups of the chiefs. Then one chief throws his shoe. If the shoe falls down straight, then his group becomes the rider of a horse. If it falls down in the opposite side, then the other group becomes the riders. The groups of the riders ride on the children of the other groups by turning them into horses. Thus this game is continued. Now let's talk about Saat Samandar game. In this game, the 7 blocks or houses are made by drawing 7 lines. The names of these houses are Pahel, Dooj, Teej, Chammo, Kawa, Peek and Matka. One player drops one stone in one block. Then he jumps and stands on one leg in that block. He pushes the stone by foot in the other blocks. If the stone goes outside the block or stops on the line, that player will lose the game. Thus, this game is continued. Now, let's talk about one more interesting game known as Chakkar Bhinni or Chabar Fairy. In this game, all the children make the circle by catching each other's hands firmly. They walk speedily by pulling each other. In the middle of a circle, there is one player. He tries to get outside of the circle by breaking it. If he succeeds in going outside, then all the children of the circle are defeated. After that, another child stands in the circle. While making the circle, the children sing Jhai Mae Koi Ki Barat Ai. The rules of some games are made by the children and they execute these themselves. One thing is very strange. These games are about 100-year-old. Besides these games, lots of other games are also played by children. For example, Kabaddi. In this game, 2 teams of 7 players each face off in a large square arena. Gudiya Ki Shadi. Akkad Bakkad is also a very popular game played by our children of Delhi. This game does not need any other equipment other than human resource and a place to sit in a circle. The game is played between two or more players of a varied age group. Gilli Danda. To play this game, one needs a long stick named as Danda and a short stick named as Gilli. The Danda is also used to flick the short Gilli into the air and hit again to make it travel to a maximum distance. Now let's come and complete these worksheets. Worksheet 1. Complete the following songs. First, पोशम पा भाई पोशम पा डैश पर क्या हुआ, 100 रुपए की डैश चुराई, अब तो डैश में जाना पड़ेगा, जेल की डैश खाना पड़ेगी, डैश पानी पीना पड़ेगा. एंड सेकंड, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे बो डैश पूरे 100 में डैश 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 निकल के डैश. You have to complete these songs. Worksheet 2. Fill in the blanks. First, in the game Saat Samandar, 7 blocks are made by drawing dash lines. Second, everyone gathers and dash in the game Aankh Micholi. Third, all the children make the circle by catching each other's hands firmly in dash game. Fourth, the player stands on one foot and pushes the dash in another block in the game Saat Samandar. Fifth, Pugam has many methods such as counting dash. Worksheet 3. Mark the following sentences as true or false. First, in Koda Jamal Shahi game, child walks behind the sitting children carrying a book. Second, Pugam means that one child is chosen to become a policeman by a method. Third, in Chakkar Bhinni or Chabar Fairy game, all children make the circle by catching each other's hands firmly and sit down. Fourth, Poshampa by Poshampa was called Bitti or Red Mare. Fifth, in Saat Samandar game, if the stone goes outside the block or stops on the line, that player will win the game. Worksheet 4. Write the names of the blocks in the Saat Samandar game. Second, write the names of the games played on the playground. Third, what song the players sing in the game Chabar Fairy while moving in the circle. Fourth, write the names of some indoor games. Fifth, write 5 sentences about your favorite game. Identify the pictures and write the names of these games.